Oh, oh shit. I'm sure many of us have got too many layers on and it's warming up.
You want to take those off now?
Farming, leaving the road.
Purposely. That's what I was
No, I don't think so.
Purposely.
No. Made it.
No, there was no soft set. Alan, breakfast ready.
Yeah, you don't want to get stuck up here. What do you say, Rolf?
Hey, got another Saturday morning in Jesini.
Very nice. Whoa. Oh yeah, nice. Thanks. Whew. Yeah, well done guys. It was a killer. Yeah. One flat battery. I think we've seen enough sand to last us a lifetime.
On a branch, and then you guys can get closer and try and get a photo. But if it fucks off, I'm just going to let it go.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Wait, Anton. Just wait. Let's everybody use. Marco, come, stand in front of you. Photo.
Make a circle around it. It works well. Yeah. Somebody's going to catch it.
Yes.
Who is he?
Don't want to come out.
He likes that house.
Let's put it on the group when we got it.
Look at him behind us. Baldi, you're not seeing they come, man.
Friend's checking me out, so let's keep him.
No, man, that's still good looking. It's only
Rocco, we're going to go to the petrol station now.
It's just Louis.
I don't trust you on petrol. I need someone responsible because at one stage the whole of the ride had to wait for JT to go and get fuel.
Yeah.
Here's a shitty train, I got no sun, there's only rain, I wanna crash and numb this pain.
Yeah, thumbs up, Pete.
Nothing will last inside this head. Take me far away past this mediocre days, I need to stop this burn. Say, can you help me unlearn? This road here always got me feeling like a soul to soul. I should go before I'm oh no. This road here always got me looking like a bad girl.
This must be fuel stop number 6 or 7, I don't know. There's a lot of fuel.